Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yusuf Ariel Farah Fauzi from 9.1. My number attendance list is 32 and this is my EC text. Okay, so in this EC discussion, I will discuss about science subjects. One of the material or parts of the science subject is biology. In biology, we know every living things need something called the energy. Energy is needed for activities or to grow and develop. uh, Energy is formed when glucose meets or mixed with oxygen. The result of these two material are H2O or water, CO2 or carbon dioxide, and also ATP itself, and ATP of energy itself. ATP stands for acidenous triphosphate. That's when glucose or sugar can be produced by eating food. In the process, food eaten by the mouth will be chewed and enter through the throat and through food eaten the stomach. Food will destroyed by HCl or chloric acid. This work to break down protein and kill bacteria in the food. After that, the food will enter the intestines and be absorbed there. Glucose resulting from the breaking of food is what becomes energy and enable to carry out our daily activities. Okay, then how glucose can become energy? This happen when it combined with oxygen and is transferred through the circulatory system. In the circulatory system, there are three main characters: the red blood cells, white blood cell, and also blood plasma. Red blood cell function to transport the energy and deliver it transfer oxygen and deliver it all to all part of the body. White blood cell function to prevent or protect the body from virus by eating the virus. And finally, this is the blood plasma. So the blood plasma is which have a function to distribute the nutrition to all part of the body, including that's a glucose itself. So the circulatory system body start from the heart to all of part of body by red blood cell. Then from when in the heart, the red blood cell have oxygen. From heart they carry the oxygen, and then they distribute the oxygen through the body, then take away the remaining energy production. That is like a waste, such as carbon dioxide. Then they carry that carbon dioxide come back to the heart to exchange from oxygen again. Then this cycle is continuous through our life. So make sure our heart is okay, because without that our circulatory system maybe not doing good. One of the most we must not doing for keep our heart is safe is not vaping maybe, and then That is how the energy is made in our body. Oh yeah. Why I forgot some important parts. Okay, I forgot it. I'm sorry. I forgot to discuss one of important parts, namely the human digestive system. The human digestive system have several parts, such as the mouth, throat, stomach, and intestines. There are still a few more part. I will discuss them in another article. So the mouth is the use for eating, chewing, and chopping food. The returns of the return of the food digestion will be channeled through the throat to the stomach. The throat functions with a muscle that pushes the food into the stomach. In the process that I have explained, explained earlier, food will digested in the stomach, and the part of the protein contained in it will be broken down after the intense after that after that we the remainder of protein in it will be broke in it, and water will be absorbed in the intestines, and remaining useful will be accepted as a feces. Okay, that is of that's a bit of the material I can cover it. I'm so sorry if I has a bit of messy. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you. This is my FT text for today. For now, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.